These hands held the first ultrasound photo with steady fingers and a quiet smile. That was before. Now watch what they know how to do. They find the G-tube port in complete darkness. No light needed. Muscle memory doing all the work. They prime the line, check the rate, move on. They run range of motion stretches before the sun comes up, moving small joints through their full arc, slow and deliberate, while the rest of the house still sleeps. They fold a weighted blanket to a specific angle, a specific weight, the one that actually works, the one it took months to find. They grip a steering wheel in a parking lot and just sit there for a minute, breathing. These are not the same hands that held that ultrasound. They are thicker now, slower to tremble, faster to act. A man does not become a caregiver in a single moment. He becomes one in 10,000 small ones, each one written into his hands before he even realizes it. He knows now. He carries it well.